So how do you download the videos from YouTube? If you're using Chrome, you can install YouTube Downloader, and basically when you're ready to download a video, so let's say 7, let's say click here and click here, and it's downloading right there. Or what you can do is get this app, not app, but the software, and then 4K downloader, and then there's a paid version and free version. You can install it and basically paste the link of the whole channel, and it's gonna download all videos from the channel, kind of like this. There is a catch to it though. If you do a lot of them, YouTube will block the IP address because they think somebody's hacking the account. So there's a settings, make sure you put the settings to right. Just read the instruction. So anyways, so those are the few options you can do it.